Hey everyone, this is Stephen KC Railpin here, and welcome to another model railroading video. So today I have a locomotive that's right here, which if you're wondering, because this is a locomotive I still have. This is a locomotive I got from last year. And for those who have not seen my community post, I recently got my CP 8934 that had a bad motor, because apparently every time I ran it, the locomotive wouldn't run, and it probably had like a short circuit. I'm not sure what caused it to have a short circuit or anything, but anyways, it was just wouldn't run, and I haven't been able to feature this in operating sessions for a long time. So, and you've been wondering, did I get it fixed? Well, of course I did get it fixed, because apparently how I got the new motor, I was able to send an email through Walthers and then asking them for a warranty part. Maybe I can make a purchase for a warranty part. So they did charge me. They charged me, like, I believe it cost like about, the total amount of price I paid was about like $40. So I paid $40 for one motor, because basically it's a warranty part, since I had this locomotive for about a year now. So I was able to contact them and then gave them a call, and then the employees at Walthers were really nice, and then they were able to ship me a new motor. So apparently it arrived last week. So after that, I was able to do repairs on it. So, and here it is. It's now back up and running again. So it's actually quite simple, because I think it's like there's like a little plug-in of some sort. It has like a motor, then you plug it into the motherboard somewhere in there. You just plugged it in to, like, if you see the initials, let's say like something like MOT or some sort, which is for the motor. You just plug it in and it finally starts running again. So I was able to, so they sent me a new motor. So right here, this right here is the old motor it came with. The motor that was the short circuit. So anyways, I was able to swap out the motor, and then I put in the new motor that I got from Walthers, and now it runs fine. I've tested it a few times, and then the locomotive runs perfectly fine. So yeah, so I gotta say, the customer service at Walthers is also pretty good too. So it's another customer service I like, because other being scale trains, because lots of these customer services for these model train manufacturers is spot on. The great service, they got nice employees working there and all that. So anyways, so here it is. So I'm going to do a little test run so you guys can see how it runs. So there it is. I put the headlights on, and there it goes. So I'm going to move it around. So there it goes. I'm going to show you guys. There goes on the layout. So there it is. So this. And there it is. So there it is. So I'm actually real satisfied with how it turned out. It runs very nice, and it's nice to see it's running with its LED headlights and ditch lights. So I'm about to say, actually replacing the motors on these newer runs of the Walthers Mainline Geos is actually not too bad. It doesn't really require soldering. because I think the motor they did send me is like one they had, you know, they had like, you know, wires sticking out from here instead of like the ones that you connect to the motherboard. So anyways, so what I had to do is I had to cut off some of these wires, and then just solder it, and then I finally got it to run. Had to use a soldering iron, because the soldering two wires together is a bit tough, but requires lots of patience. So I was able to do that off camera, and so I was going to do a Willow Run video, but I decided not to. But I might plan to do some more Willow Run videos in the future, which is inspired by the YouTuber SMT Mainline. So anyways, so that's going to be it for this video. I'll leave a little bit of a run by of it leading its first train after coming back to service. So it's going to be like a little sneak peek to one of my future operating sessions you'll see in the future. So anyways, I'll leave you guys a little bit of a run by of this in action. So, and I'll see you guys next time. So anyways, thank you all for watching. Have a good day, everybody.